Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making almond flour laddu. It is a quick, healthy, sweet recipe. Almond flour is a high protein, gluten-free flour which is available in these days in many supermarkets. Many people are using the almond flour in these days in keto diet recipes. Today I am making my almond laddu with 2 cups of almond flour. First of all, take just 1 tablespoon of water in a small pan and heat it on low medium. Add half a cup of jaggery. Let it melt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee to this melting jaggery. It gives a very nice taste. This is completely optional. If you are a vegan, you don't have to add. While the jaggery is melting, crush 3 cardamoms into a powder and keep that aside. All the jaggery is melted. Now quickly check the consistency. If it is one string consistency, switch off the flame immediately and pour the syrup into the almond flour. The consistency should not be more than one string consistency. Mix it with a spatula. Do not put your hand because the syrup is very hot. Let the jaggery syrup mix into the almond flour. You can put your hand when it is not that hot. Give them a good mix with your hands. This gluten-free, high-protein almond flour can be mixed with chapati flour, pizza dough or dosa batter to increase the protein in your diet. I like to add some almond flour to the milk when I make kheer. I will give the links below. We can also use almond flour in our smoothies for a high protein smoothie. You may sneak a tablespoon of almond flour in a cup of milk for your children as a healthy high protein drink. When both are mixed well, take a small amount of this mixture into your hand and shape it into a round ball. You can make it into your desired size. You can make these laddus for your festivals, but they can be a sweet, healthy snack for your family on a normal day. To give a nice, smooth and shiny look for your laddus, you can take a little bit of ghee into your hands and smoothen the laddus. Of course, it is optional. Try these laddus and give me your feedback. I hope you enjoy as much as I did. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. You can subscribe to my Telugu channel also for more healthy recipes.